Hey guys, in this video you are going to see how to replace all the fonts in the Adobe Premiere Pro with just a single click. So without making any further delay, let's get started. Alright, as you can see here, I created a lot of text for my previous project file, and you can also observe it here. The font style is different for each one. Now I want to change the fonts for every text. For this, on the top you can see the graphics and titles tab. Click on it, and under that click this option, replace fonts in projects. A new window will be opened like this. Here you can select the font type. Basically I created all the fonts with the same type, that's why it is showing only one. If in case you created fonts with multiple styles, the list shows here, and even side of it you can see the usage as well. I used it like 30 times in this project, that's why it is showing 30 number. And if you see at the bottom, the replacement font option will be there you can select it, or you can directly type the font style that you want to change. I'm adding the Proxima Nova Black it, and I'm clicking on OK. That's it. Now it changes the fonts, everything. If in case it still didn't change, in my case also it didn't. For this, what you have to do is just close the Premiere Pro and open it once again and do the process one more time. It will be rectified. If in case still it's not at all changing, just do a quick restart of your system. There are some glitches in the Premiere Pro, you already know that, so it happens like that. But basically this is the process. With just single click you can change all the fonts in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this tip helpful, don't smash that like button, and also subscribe to this channel for more video editing as well as YouTube related stuff, which really helps you to stay sustained in the YouTube journey long time. Thanks for watching, and thanks for doing all these things. I'll see you again in the next video.